Welcome to this real-world fuel economy test for the Kia Sportage. This is the 1.7 CRDI, so it's the diesel with a manual gearbox. What we're going to do first of all is jump in, make sure the trip computer is reset, and then take it for a drive from there to see how it does. Okay, so now that we're inside the car, we're going to reset the trip computer or make sure it's reset. So the figure that you see there at the moment is the instant miles per gallon. So that figure will change constantly as you drive along, but will give you a good indicator as to how economical you're being at that moment in time. Every push of the trip button, which is just to the side of the dials here, will give you a new piece of information. So that's our average speed since this was last reset. I'm going to reset all of these in a moment. That's the average journey time since the trip computer was reset. Outside temperature, trip computer A and B. How many miles of fuel are left in the car? That's the only thing you can't reset. Obviously that will change when you put fuel in the car. And then the average miles per gallon, which is the important one, and that's the one we're going to be concentrating on, and we're back round to the beginning. So if I reset, again using those same buttons, that one, and the obviously average miles per gallon we will reset. Let's take the car for a drive, and when we get back we'll reevaluate this figure and see how the car's got on. Now that we're back from our drive, you can see that we managed a fantastic 49.7 miles to the gallon. Given the nature of the drive, which didn't go over really 40 miles an hour at any point in time, I think that's a brilliant return on fuel economy. In terms of the other figures, we did an average speed of 22 miles an hour. We did an 8-minute drive, and it was about approximately 4 miles. I didn't reset those two. But as I said, in terms of fuel economy, a really fantastic figure. If you'd like to come and try out one of these Sportage diesels for yourself, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.